In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use guides and rulers in Google Slides. Whether you're preparing a snappy business presentation or crafting a creative slideshow, knowing how to effectively use these tools can help you achieve a polished and professional look. Let's dive right in. First things first, to get started, you'll need to go to Google Slides. If you're not already familiar, Google Slides is a part of Google's Office suite and can be accessed right from your web browser. Simply head over to the Google Slides website by typing it in the search bar or entering the direct URL. Once you're there, the next step is to sign into your Google account. This is essential because it not only allows you to create and edit presentations, but also ensures that your work is saved automatically and can be accessed from any device. If you're already signed in, you can skip this step. If not, just put in your email and password and you're good to go. Now that you're on the Google Slides homepage, you'll see options to start a new presentation. You can either click on blank presentation if you want to start from scratch, or choose a template that suits your needs. Templates are a great way to get a professionally designed layout without much effort. With your presentation now open, it's time to enable guides and rulers. These tools help you align your elements more accurately on the slides. Begin by going to the menu at the top of your screen and clicking on View. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options. Navigate to Guides, and from the expanded menu, choose Show Guides. Guides are lines that appear on your slides, aiding you in aligning text boxes, images, shapes, and more with precision. You can move them around by clicking and dragging to fit your design needs. After setting your guides, it's also very useful to have the ruler visible, so head back to View in the top menu. This time click on Show Ruler. The ruler appears at the top and along the left side of your slide canvas, providing a measurement framework for your layout. It's especially handy when you want your elements to be perfectly sized and aligned according to specific measurements. With guides and rulers up and running, you now have more control over the layout and look of your presentation, navigate around your slides, adjust your elements, and experiment with alignment. These tools are there to enhance your design capabilities, allowing you to achieve a clean, professional appearance. That's it, you've learned how to use guides and rulers in Google Slides. These features might seem straightforward, but they can truly make a difference in how your presentation is perceived. So go ahead, explore and refine your slides with these helpful tools, making sure they look just the way you envisioned. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.